guys, I'm back from the soccer game and I'm Scarlett Unicorn. Today we're actually going to be making this slime. So if you didn't go see getting my slime supplies, go check out that video. And yeah, thank you. So I'm going to actually be making this slime and I got dye on me because I wasn't paying attention. Oh, that one's cute. Okay, I'm going to make the slime here. Yeah. I'm gonna. Are there any more of these left? Any more color? Okay, I could try use some glitter glue. Yeah, okay, so I got some blue glitter glue. Gonna use that because that's gonna be cute, probably in the slime. Gonna get some white glue, and my feet are really cold. So. Don't know where I can put you guys. I mean, like, oh, I know. Okay, I'm gonna plop y'all here. And I'm gonna get the slime ingredients. So, getting my bowl, white school glue, my 3 lolly sticks, and my 2 dyes, and my glue. Okay, so I'm gonna get my activator. My activator is tired because I have no way that I'm making borax right now. I am not wasting my time making borax just for this one video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the white glue. That's good. And then I'm gonna add in my glitter glue. I haven't added this one in a long time. Okay, so it's adding in, and I'm really excited. This is gonna look so pretty. Because I really need the glitter. Okay, so I think that's good of my glitter glue because I added it quite a lot. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix that together with one of my sticks and it looks so pretty, guys. I'm gonna show you the end result. Actually, I can just show you right now. Oh, that's a pretty blue. Okay, so guys, this is my color. It's a really nice blue, but I don't think you guys can see it because it's really sunny. And I don't think you guys can see it. So now, just gonna add in some of my pink. And yeah. So I'm just gonna take it out of the top. And boy, that's a lot. That's a lot of pink. So I'm hoping this will make it kind of like a pink. Yeah. So just gonna put that on and I'm gonna mix that. So yeah, that is making it a really nice pink. It's really pretty actually. It's kind of like a purple. So I gotta add in more pink. But this time I'm just gonna literally go in like that and add in more pink. That's enough pink dye. Just gonna place that there. And that's enough of pink dye. Ooh, this is really pretty. Yeah, it's more pinkish now. Okay, so it's making it a really pretty pink, but it's kind of making it a dark pink now. So I'm gonna make it peach by adding in this. It's called lemon, and I know it looks really pretty because I've actually used it before, and it's kind of not that strong because it's yellow. So I'm gonna add in a lot of this. Yeah, I'm gonna start mixing it until I get my peach. And I really wanted Okay, so I just realized that yellow is way more stronger than I think, so I'm gonna add in some more pink. It's going to like pink to like yellow to pink. Okay, so that should be good. Just gonna mix that in now. And it's gonna make it pink, I bet you. Actually, no, that's kind of a really pretty color. Okay, I really like this color, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. So, yeah. This color is really nice. So I'm gonna put these away now. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. That is what it looks like. It's really kind of pretty. It's not too dark and it's not too light. So I'm hoping that that tide won't change it because I have blue tide and I don't want it to change it. I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I'll keep up with the guys and the see me holding up my middle finger too. Yes, I love that song. Do 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 do. I'm hoping that it really, really won't change the color of this. Oh, okay, this is nice. I'm just gonna add in more tide because it's coming together, but it's not okay. I may have added too much tide, so if I did, I'm gonna literally throw myself out. I would use this for literally a gallon of glue, and I don't think I activated it properly, because yeah, it's overactivated. So that's nice, and all of this nice work for nothing. Ay. So this slime failed, and I'm gonna make a different one that's just like pink, probably. It's like a pretty pink. So I'm gonna wash my hands, and I hope that I can cut it, cause like, yeah, and also, guys, my fingers are really sticky. So I'm gonna quickly check if there's a paper towel. Cause yeah. So guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here, cause yeah. Wait, no, there are wipes. Yes. Victoria. Yes, there are wipes. Guys, so I'm wiping myself, and it's not really cleaning me. It's making me more wet. So screw that. Screw sweatshirts. Now, ew. Please, no. So I'm gonna put this away, and I'm gonna make a new slime. Yay. I'm so sarcastic sometimes. I swear I can know exactly what's on my mind. So I got another container. it's just a container. And I'm not gonna make actually, no, I'm just gonna make a yellow slime because I haven't got one that's yellow. Well, I kind of do. Well, yeah, it's not really that good. So, just gonna add in, you know what? I'm just gonna use this. Because, like, okay, that is pretty. Guys, look. Ah! It's on my fingers. Ew. You're probably like, Scarlett, it's just glue. Well, yeah, but I used dye and dye can stain my hands, and I don't want it. And I'm sure you don't want me to get stained hands, do ya? You're probably like, yeah, I do want that to happen. I'm like, dude, I wouldn't do that, because like, I'm a god, and I need to make this video. And so I'm just making this yellow one. It's really, really pretty. Yeah. I'm so in love with this. Yay! I'm so sarcastic. Actually, this slime is quite good. The same. It is nice. If I just deal with a little bit at a time, and I know it'll keep over-activating, and I'll get different kinds of slime, and then it'll all be a mess. This is green now. Dude, I wanted yellow, and you gave me green. I'm sorry that you can't see it, but it's green. And I'm calling the slime police. 911, what's your emergency? Hi, my slime is green because I added blue Tide. What was your original color that you wanted to be? Yellow. Well, I called the slime place. No, you actually called the real place. I'm coming to your house to arrest you. Oh, nice. But like, seriously, thank you so much for like 50 subscribers. Like, that is all I wanted was 50 subscribers. And I want to set this video. Okay, I want to make sure on this one video to get 100 likes. Exactly. Because, like, I'm wasting my life. And my fingers get really sore by using Tide. So I'm actually screwing my life right now. Ew. Okay, so I know that I really like this slime. Like, it's green. Oh, it's kind of getting yellower. Yellower? Is that a name? Is that even a word? Yellower? Probably is. Maybe not. Probably isn't. So I really like this slime. Yellow. So I have no idea what time it is. Okay, it's been 4 minutes in this video. And what? No, it's been 14 minutes. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Bye. I'm gonna finish this slime in my next video. Okay.